Hey y'all, I wanted to give y'all this quick tip. I am making myself some oatmeal cookies, like a half a recipe, like 10 to 12 cookies. But the most important part of baking cakes and making cookies to me is the creaming of the butter and the sugar process. And when you're doing that, you want to put your mixer on the butter and the sugar and beat that for 5 full minutes without stopping. And then once you've got it beat for 5 full minutes, then you take your spatula and you scrape this bowl down, you bring this all together again, and you beat it 1 more minute, okay? 5 minutes. Today I'm using my handheld mixer because I didn't feel like lifting up the KitchenAid. But regardless of whether you're using a handheld mixer or your KitchenAid, you're going to beat this for 5 minutes. Then scrape your bowl down completely, because most people don't scrape their bowls down. Scrape your bowl down completely and do it again for another minute. And that's before you add your egg and your flour and all of that other stuff, okay? This is just the butter and the sugar right now. I hope this tip helps you. I hope you're enjoying these tips. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor, and I'll see you on the next video. And in my mind, this makes all the difference in the world in how you're light and fluffy and delicious your cake or cookies or muffins or whatever come out. All right, see y'all on the next video. Bye now.